Conquer your fears.
Go, go!
You're so scary.
It's the new style.
I love when they're in the head.
Yeah, I know
Try
that.
to do it.
You can even wear it as a hat.
I'm afraid of birds.
It is okay.
They're flying.
They are birds.
I know, but they have pecker things that squish your brains out.
I swear to God.
Oh my God.
If one lands on you, do not let it out. You have nothing to be afraid of, alright?
They smell fear.
They smell fear.
Look at here! Come on!
Jenna, go, go, go. Look at him.
He had me for like 2 seconds and then it landed on me.
Come here, come on. Give me your hand.
Look at this little girl, Jenna. Look at this little girl.
She's
Look at
cute.
her.
I like her.
She's got a bird on her shoulder. Come on. This is so funny.
This is my good bird and this is my bad bird.
What are their names? Which one's the girlfriend? This is videotaping.
This one is my girlfriend and this one is my boyfriend. That's Marcello.
It's all Marcello. Nice to meet you, Marcello.
It's not Marcello, it's Marcello.
Marcello. Oh, I have antibacterial.
Hmm?
Yeah, I have